Hello! Welcome to my kitchen.
be dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel my help in Him, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together.